Welcome to Inkazimulo Center Trading Core Mentorship. I'm excited that you are here, guys, and ngiyabonga for ukuthi nithembe Inkazimulo Center ukuthi bring a light into your trading journey. So I want you guys to treat this as a mentorship, not a get rich quick ntontoni, and with patience, repetition, and consistency, you're going to be okay. Without those things, forget it. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is sobesenza ngo module 1. So module 1 is foundations of trading and smart money. So the goal of this mentorship, the goal of this module, ukuthi nginikeze like a bigger picture ukuthi yini trading and introduce it to smart money logic. Then lesson 1.1 so besikhavara forex and indices trading. Ngizobe explainela retail versus institution. Those are the market participants. Then you'll explain why are we trading. That is lesson 1.1. Then lesson 1.2, I'm going to cover what the smart money is and who is the smart money and why the markets doesn't move randomly. Only a few will understand that one, but then yeah. So then lesson 1.3, I'm going to cover my platforms la siwasebenzisa. Then ngixplainela ama broker nama tools esiwadingayo for ukutrader. Then ngizonishayela iMetaTrader 5 walkthrough and nginibonisa ama basics we trading view. Then ngixplainele ukuthi yini leverage, yini lot size ne spread. That is lesson 1.3. Then go lesson 1.4 ngizobe break down market structure versus retail thinking. Then explainela retail logic versus smart money logic. Then ngine introduction to break of structure, a change of character, a market structure shift, inducement. So that will be your module 1. Then after module 1 we're going to cover module 2. So let's get into lesson 1.1. Angazi bathini ngesilungu. Without further ado, let's go to lesson 1.1.